Have you ever laid awake at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, wondering how you'll find the strength to face another day? If so, you're not alone. Most of us have been there. Those moments where life feels like a never-ending storm, and you're just hoping for a light to guide you through the darkness. That's where Stoicism steps in. If you're new or haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Why? Because what follows are 8 Stoic principles that can turn your worst days into defining moments. And here's a small challenge. Watch this video all the way through. Prove to yourself that you're serious about moving forward, even when everything feels heavy. Do you accept? Let's begin. Number 1. Live in the present moment. Life has its way of hurling curveballs. One day you're fine, and the next you're overwhelmed, swamped by deadlines or broken by heartbreak. But here's the truth. The key to weathering these storms lies in being fully present. We often drift into tomorrow's worries or yesterday's regrets. Yet this moment right now is the only one we can truly influence. As Marcus Aurelius put it, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. That quote isn't just elegant, it's actionable. It tells us that while the world may be chaotic, we still get to choose how we respond. So the next time you feel like you're drowning, pause, breathe, tune into your senses. Let the moment anchor you. By doing so, you're not merely enduring. You're growing stronger, wiser, and more at peace with each passing moment. Number 2. Practice gratitude amid all the hustle. It's easy to notice what's missing: the missed chances, the unmet desires, the uphill battles. But what if a small shift in focus could brighten even your darkest day? That shift is called gratitude. Taking just a moment to acknowledge what we do have builds a sturdy foundation beneath us. As Seneca once wrote, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. This joy comes not from endless striving, but from embracing the present. Whether it's the warmth of a friend's presence, a quiet home, or the comfort of a warm drink, gratitude isn't just about highlighting the positives. It's about discovering beauty even in struggle, seeing pain as a teacher, and setbacks as part of the journey. So when life feels heavy, pause and find just one thing to be thankful for. It won't change the storm, but it will change you within it. Number 3. Build inner strength. Navigating life is like setting sail across open waters. Some days are smooth and calm, others hit like fierce gales. In those storms, your greatest weapon isn't force, it's inner strength. This isn't about brute strength. It's about mental resilience, spiritual courage, and the heart to keep going when everything screams, give up. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This reaction, the one shaped by our inner resolve, is what determines the course of our life. And building that resilience comes from daily habits, from choosing growth over fear, from welcoming challenges as silent mentors. The storms will come, but with a strong inner compass, you won't just survive. You'll reach destinations you once believed were out of reach. Number 4. Be patient. Watch a flower bloom and you'll notice something profound. It never rushes. Each petal unfolds when it's ready. Nature has its own rhythm, and so do our lives. Whether you're waiting on healing, clarity, or change, patience is your ally. Marcus Aurelius described time as a river, a violent current of events, glimpsed once and gone. Our desire to rush life often leaves us drained, frustrated, and discontent. But real strength comes from knowing we can't push the river. We can only navigate it wisely. Patience isn't passive, it's purposeful. It's what allows us to prepare for the right moment, instead of forcing the wrong one. So when you're feeling restless, think of the blooming flower. Trust that your season will come, and when it does, it'll be worth every moment of waiting. Number 5. Focus on what's in your control. Life often feels like a stormy night. Lightning flashes, thunder roars, and the wind wants to knock you down. You can't silence the storm, but you can choose your response. You can light a candle, find shelter, stay grounded. Epictetus once said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond." We spend so much energy on what we can't control: people's actions, the past, the unpredictable future. But peace begins the moment we shift that energy inward. Your reactions, your mindset, your next decision, these are your tools. Use them. Light your own way through the dark, and one day, when the sky's clear, you'll realize the storm wasn't your story. It was how you stood in it. Number 6, turn adversity into growth. Picture a blacksmith forging a blade. The metal is exposed to brutal heat and relentless pounding. But with each strike, it transforms. Stronger, sharper, more refined. Life does the same to us. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind as labor does the body." Hardships aren't just random misfortunes. They're hidden opportunities, each one a chance to uncover strength you didn't know you had. Adversity isn't about suffering for the sake of it. It's about reframing pain as part of your evolution. So when life hits hard, remember the blacksmith. Let the fire shape you, not break you. Number 7. Pursue wisdom. Wisdom isn't some exclusive gift handed to the lucky few. It's a treasure that reveals itself to those brave enough to search for it. By watching this video, you've already proven that you're on that path. Seneca once said, "As long as you live, keep learning how to live." Wisdom isn't knowing everything, it's being willing to question everything, to learn from joy and failure alike. True wisdom requires listening more than speaking, observing more than showing, and understanding that every moment, every person, is a teacher in disguise. Wisdom isn't a destination. It's a way of walking through life, a journey that transforms your mind, enriches your spirit, and expands your perspective. Number 8. Choose compassion. Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and wondered what they're silently enduring? Behind every smile may be a story of struggle, and in recognizing that, we find our shared humanity. Marcus Aurelius said, "What injures the hive injures the bee." When we hurt others, we hurt ourselves. When we lift others, we rise too. Compassion isn't pity, it's connection. It's choosing to understand, to care, and to act, no matter how small the gesture. In a world that often feels fragmented, compassion is what stitches us back together. When you choose compassion, you're not just offering help, you're creating harmony for others and for yourself. These 8 Stoic lessons are more than just concepts. They're tools to carry with you during hard times. Embrace them fully, and you'll find resilience where there was once fear, clarity where there was once chaos, and strength where there was once doubt. A special announcement is coming soon, so stay tuned. If this message resonated with you, hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and comment below with, "I will keep going," or "I never give up." As a mark of your commitment to this path, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep walking with us on this Stoic journey. Thank you so much for watching. Now, choose your next lesson. Select one of the videos appearing on your screen. Stay strong, stay grounded, stay stoic.